The Faculty of Sport at the University of the West Indies is embarking on a research in ways persons can reintegrate and recover after a natural disaster, especially through psychosocial support, using sports or physical activities as a driving force. Here's Denise Walters.
Led by Dr. Olivia Rose, who was accompanied by Anya Campbell and Alicia Richards, the Faculty of Sport at the UWI collaborated with the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, to help the wards of the Clifton Boys' Home located in Darlaston, Westmoreland.
Sports psychology is very important. The mental aspect of preparation alongside the physical aspect is absolutely important, and especially during this time of recovery where we're building as a nation. It's a current research project that we are embarking upon in terms of how we can reintegrate persons and help them to recover through active participation in physical activities.
The Clifton Boys' Home was affected by the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
Play is absolutely important. Sport and exercise and movement really help in helpful ways to aid in the coping, especially after a disaster. And it builds community and it builds resilience. It also gives them hope and inspiration and just an activity to take their minds off things, showing them also that through a collective effort, we care and they're having fun.
Both Dr. Rose and Mayor of KSAMC, Andrew Swaby, was on hand for a special sports day.
The partnership with the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation is not one where we came here empty-handed. So, of course, we are very much mindful of the basic needs that need to be met in terms of our care packages and so on, but we also have sometimes missed the psychosocial aspect of it, which is what we're doing today through sports.
Just to get their mind off their present circumstance. So we had played some football with them, we had made sure that they have won their medals, and a little cash prize, a little token, and I think they really enjoyed it.
Mayor Swaby says when the faculty reached out to him, he was happy to come on board.
Just wanted to get into their mind to see how they are doing, how they are coping with the stress. These are some vulnerable kids for various reasons, and so we want to show them that we care for them.
Meanwhile, psychosocial support was provided through playing football and dominoes. Councillors from both the KSAMC, the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation, as well as staff at the home played alongside the boys and or helped coach the various six-a-side teams. Unstoppable Squad defeated Adventure Squad in the final. The teams also delivered care packages and warm meals in partnership with Elegance Bar and Grill to the boys. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.